In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to find saved jobs in LinkedIn. So let's get started. So that once you're in linkedin.com and go over to the jobs area right there. So let's say you're interested in some job and you want to apply for it later. So let's say I'm interested in this job right here. So I'm just going to click on it, and then there'll be this option save. So you can just click on save, but let's say you want to apply, you can just click on this button and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can apply for the job. But in my case, I just want to save the job so I can apply great later. So I'm just going to click save. All right, so once this job is saved, I'm going to go back to the jobs area right there. So now here, if I go to my jobs, all right, so you guys will see here that in the saved option, this job is saved. And let's say you want to unsave it, you can just click on the three dots and click unsave. And then this will be unsaved. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.